In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Notewise application. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so Notewise is a powerful note-taking app designed mainly for students and professionals. It's great for digital handwriting, recording lectures, and organizing study material, all in one clean, distraction-free interface. So first step is we need to go ahead and download and install Notewise. So go to your Player App Store, search for Notewise, AI Notes, PDF Docs. This is it here. So if I scroll down, time recording, it's got 1 million plus downloads and 6K reviews. So download, install, and then open up the application for the first time. Now from here, just go ahead and have a quick read of the feature highlights if you're interested in that, or click out of it. Now we're going to be taken to this user face for the first time. Now it's pretty straightforward, so you're going to see a new note here, so we can click on either one of these, start creating your first note. So click onto that. Now the first thing what we can do is rename this for your first note. So click on the three dots top right hand corner, and now it's going to be called untitled and the date, but we want to go ahead and click on rename. So just call this to whatever you want. You can add in your lecture or similar. Click rename. Now we're inside of here. Now at the bottom, this is where we got all the different, we can use the pen tool to adjust the thickness or color. We can use the highlighter for key points. You can also use a stylus or your finger to write naturally on here. So we can go ahead and click on the little finger icon, and then we can start moving up and down. I already clicked on it, so I'm going to click onto it again. We can change the color here. So we've got different colors and the different thicknesses too. So I might just do purple and make this a little bit less, not as thick. So if I'm going to write here, I'm going to write test. So it's pretty cool. I'm just using my finger. And now at the bottom here, we've got highlighters as well. We've got eraser, so we can erase the note too as well. It's very, very easy to use. If we keep scrolling across, we've got different things. We can add images, add text. So we add text here. So for example, type in test, we can change the color and all that. Now, if you made a mistake, you can go ahead and click on the red trash thing. So yeah, it's basically very, very simple to use. Now we've got all different, we can center the text, bold, italic, underline, strike out, etc. If you make any mistakes, you can go ahead and use the back button. Now if I go ahead and click on the back button here, you can see all of our notes are going to be on this page here. You can also create folders inside of here for subjects or projects, use tags or colors to quickly find specific pages, and you can also import PDFs or export your notes as a PDF for sharing.